Not every business idea needs to be complex. There are plenty of opportunities in very simple businesses. In this video, I'm going to tell you about an opportunity that exists here in Bali, which could bring in around 100,000 rials per month. It's necessary. There are several people who would like to buy this product, and to this day, this market is still not very well explored. I'm just going to put on my glasses because my eye is a bit irritated. A truck passed by with dust and I hurt my eye a little. But anyway, I come to this restaurant here. It's called The Lodge in Sese, and I've been coming here for almost a year. I ate at this restaurant for almost a year, every single day. The expat community here in Bali is huge. There are almost 1 million people like me who live in Bali and eat out. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's very common here in Bali for people to eat out every day for every meal. But when you've lived on the island for a long time, this kind of starts to take up a lot of your day. Because you drive about 15 to 25 minutes to get to the restaurant. Then you have to sit down at the restaurant. You have to place your order. The food has to come from the kitchen. Then you have to eat. And then you have to go back home. Then maybe you'll run into someone at the restaurant because the community is always the same people. And just like that, 2 hours of your day are gone. So people start to get a bit fed up with this after a while. After coming here every day for a year, I said, man, the food at this restaurant is really good. I want to try to get the chef's contact so he can cook for me at my house. My idea was to hire the chef to make meal boxes for me. I got the chef's contact information because I know the staff at this restaurant really well. I got in touch with him, scheduled a meeting, and he invited me to come here to the restaurant. I said, man, I'm moving into a house with 2 other friends. We have a good kitchen. And our idea is to eat chef quality food, but at home every day. We want to eat well. We like to eat well. We like to eat healthy, but we don't want to have to go out every day and come to the restaurant. Can you, 1, cook for us? 2, maybe prepare meal boxes for us? He said, man, I can't cook for you guys, but I can make meal boxes. I'll create a menu for you. I'll send you the menu. You choose what you want. And if you have very specific requests, for example, twice a week, I want fish twice a week. I want shrimp twice a week. I want chicken twice a week. I want beef. Send me everything, the amount of protein, the amount of carbohydrates you want per meal, and I'll charge you a specific price that's cheaper than at the restaurant. Why? Because I'm not taking up table space inside. I'm not using electricity. I'm not taking up the waiter's time. I'm not using anything. I'm just ordering food straight from his kitchen and having it at my house. He sent me a menu. The meal boxes he offered me cost 125,000 rupiah, and I'll convert it here to make it easier. 125,000 rupiah, which is $7.20, up to about 175,000 for the more expensive meal boxes, okay? Which would be $10. That's about what I pay per meal box here. I eat food from this restaurant every day. But for about 3 months now, I've only been eating meal boxes from this restaurant. And the thing I want to tell you about, which brings in around 100,000 rials per month, approximately $20,000, is the meal box business. With 200 clients in Bali per month, ordering meal boxes from Monday to Saturday, you make 100,000 rials per month, profiting $2 per meal box. $2 is just 35,000 rupiah. If your profit is 35,000 rupiah per meal box, and you sell lunch and dinner to 200 foreigners, 6 days a week, 4 weeks, you have $19,000. That makes 100,000 rials. With a simple business, you don't need to open a restaurant structure. You don't need to hire staff to serve people. You know exactly what to buy, and it's much easier to control supplies. You can open a dark kitchen or a ghost kitchen, cook in a really cheap place, and just deliver meal boxes by motorcycle courier. Basically, that's it. The person who buys the meal box pays for the delivery, not the restaurant in this case, okay? So even though I buy meal boxes from here, I'm the one who pays for the delivery. I send the motorcycle courier here to pick up my meal box and take it to my house. I pay for the delivery. Or I come here on my motorcycle and take the meal box home myself. But since I wanted to record this video, I came here. I'm coming in here now to pick up 3 portions of meal boxes. I'm going to pick up some shrimp portions because today I'm going to grill shrimp on the barbecue with my friends. And for sure, he's making money on this portion, right? I've already brought 4 customers to this restaurant, and I'm just a grain of sand. A grain of sand in the market here in Bali. Like if you open a business, you do good marketing. You gradually scale up your marketing. Maybe you set up an affiliate or referral program, so one friend brings another friend. The expat community here in Bali is very large. And not only that, but it's also very fitness-oriented. So everyone eats well. Everyone likes to eat food with calculated macronutrients. Everyone eats clean for almost every meal. Getting 200 clients out of 1 million people is very easy. Very easy. And what did I do? I told the guy, by the way, the chef here is named Joe. I told Joe, I said, why don't you open this? It's a good business. I'll try to help you however I can, just because I think you'll make money and I would like you to make more money. The guy's food is spectacular and he's a really great person. And here's a second message from this video. Help people for free. I pitched the idea to Joe. Joe said, man, that's true. Actually, you're opening my eyes to a business I wasn't seeing. He decided to start a dark kitchen, and he's opening a remote kitchen to sell meal boxes because of an idea I shared with him here. What am I getting out of this? Nothing. Nothing. I'm just happy because I was able to help one more person for free. Help others for free without expecting anything in return. Because in the end, it ends up coming back to you in some way. I don't know why, but it's kind of like the world rewards people who do good. So I think he's going to end up opening this meal delivery operation here. But the market is so big that there's room for more players. He's only going to serve this region here. C7 Amag at most, Perere, Neti, Angu. But man, Luato is the same thing. There are foreigners everywhere here, and a lot of people would buy meal boxes where the food is tasty, where the food is clean. With the macronutrients calculated and good portions, you can make a profit of $2 per meal box, easily, because you don't have fixed costs. In your operation, you don't have expensive street restaurant rent if you cook in a cheap neighborhood, hire a bunch of people to work, assemble the meal boxes, it's always the same food. The menu keeps changing, keeps rotating, and you have 100,000 Ries business. Businesses don't need to be complex. Businesses don't need to be pretty. Businesses need to make money. There are businesses that are cool for you to own. It's cool to own a wonderful gym. It's cool to own a fancy villa. It's cool to own a spa. It's not cool to own a kitchen. Dark kitchen. Or a ghost kitchen. But man, it brings in 100 grand. It's good to have a business that gives you a clean 100,000 a month. That's where the focus is. Not every business needs to be pretty, okay? There are a lot of boring businesses that make money. I'm going to go in there, grab my shrimp lunchbox, and we'll talk again at home when I'm putting the little shrimps on the grill. Let me show you how the lunchboxes work. I just got home. The lunchboxes I ordered are just marinated shrimp. So it's a small portion of shrimp, I think, with 6 or 5 shrimp. He gave me 3 portions like this one for us to grill on that barbecue. If it were a regular order, he would have grilled it and served it to me on a plate, but I asked to grill it here. So he just gave it to me like this, along with the sauce I'll use to marinate and grill, and this here as well to finish the shrimp. I paid 375,000 rupiah, which is about $21 for this little portion here. And our fridge here at home is just full of meal boxes. Gustavo eats meal boxes, Lucas eats meal boxes, and here are the meal boxes we order from the restaurant. The restaurant always prepares protein, vegetables, and carbohydrates. So for example, an example of a meal box is this right here. Look, grilled salmon with asparagus and pumpkin. This here is a couple of meal boxes. This dish here costs about 135,000 rupiah, maybe around 40 Ries. Here we have a fish meal box. Here we have a lasagna meal box. Look, what a beautiful lasagna. See? It's a big lasagna. This comes with rice. And then the chef cooks all of this and delivers according to our orders, right? He sends a pretty extensive menu. There are 28 options, and we choose from those 28 options what we want to eat. Most of the dishes, for example, this salmon here, it comes with this garlic and herb butter for you to spread on top of the salmon. So it's really like you're eating restaurant quality food only at home. For people in Brazil, maybe paying 40 reais for a meal box sounds absurd. But for us here, it's normal. It's actually cheaper than eating out. So for me, the guy is solving a problem of mine, which is a pain point for me, having to go all the way to a restaurant, pay more, waste my time, and then drive back home, all for more than 40 Ries. So having this food made by a chef, by a team that cooks well, for just 40 Ries, 35, 42, for me, that's great. And just like me, there are another 100, 200, 300 potential customers for this business here. So for every 100 customers, you make about 50,000 Ries. Net, 200 customers, 100,000 Ries. 100 customers, 50,000 Ries, and so on. So it's a great business. It's a business that can scale. Maybe not just in Bali, but you need to find a place where you can make at least $2 profit per meal box. And there needs to be a large community that really cares about health and has the money to pay for it. Bali is a perfect place to do this because the expat community is huge and a lot of people eat out. Actually, it's not just a lot of people. Everyone eats out every day. This culture already exists here and you can eat at home. Well-cooked food for a lower price than you already pay at a restaurant. It's a win-win for everyone. So there's a simple business idea. It's not glamorous. It doesn't have any frills. It's a basic business. It's a business. It's not cool. It's not cool to be the owner of a meal box project, but it could make you 100,000 Ries a month. Not all money is in projects that are extravagant and super cool to have. Sometimes the money is in business. Boring business, dull business, simple business. If you open your mind to this, there are always opportunities. We're going to make our barbecue, start grilling the shrimp since the rice is already ready. If you don't know the channel, subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of people who watch my videos and I can see them in the analytics. People watch my videos, but they're not subscribed. So subscribe and leave a like on the video. I'll see you in the next video.